Hi guys, Helene. Welcome to another vlog. Can you see me? Oh yeah? I'm going to do my nails and I'm going to get my nails done at Shantae's, and then I'm gonna go past this other shop that I want to show you guys because I'm putting a tripod. So yeah, come with me.
Okay.
But you see now,
Huh?
if at least you could fill up my petrol with a full tank,
Yeah.
I can give you some attention.
How? Or like what? Like how?
Like I can give you a date. Bye.
Are you around it?
I'm around, but I don't like speaking to broke niggas. Bye. And that's on period. Alright guys, so I've arrived at the shop that I was telling you about. Let me take you inside now so you can see what they have in here. I just finished here now. The plan was that I was gonna go do my nails today, but now I obviously can't make it because we're late. It's like past 3, and because I came to the shop, everything just took extra long. The man that works here is very slow. Like, you really need to have patience with him. And now Shantae's mad at me because I didn't make it to my nail appointment, and I'm thinking to myself, if I go there now, I'm gonna be too late to release Tandy to go home. And Shantae is mad upset. Like, she's even shouting and cursing at me. Like, she's so upset. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go home, Sham. I'm gonna go past Chicken Licken. There's a Chicken Licken here. I get food, and then I'm gonna go to a car wash, get this car wash, then go home. And kuthiwa nina nenza i-cashback nge-medical aid. So ke guys, bendilapha ndifuna ubona uba kanti andiyifumana le cashback apha na. This is actually the reason why I had gone to the shop in Reitavach to go buy this tripod. It will have to make do for now. This was retailing at 170 Rand. I was watching Wendy as I was unboxing these things. Then I got myself these bamboo spoons and fork. I don't know what you call these. Do you call them utensils? Comment down below and let me know. These were going for 45 Rand for the whole set. Then I got this dish drainer for 130 Rand. Looks very cute, looks very nice. So I really liked it. And then I did set it up and put it on the sink because it's been a long time that I actually needed to get one of these. So glad that I actually got the opportunity to buy one. A realistic vlogger because half. is the reality for me.
Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation. I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation.
Go dinner. Some people take out the insides. I don't, because I heard those are the healthy parts of this. So I'm gonna do the.
Everything that happens is motivation. I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation.
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I really do appreciate your support. To those of you that are new to this channel, ndiyanomkela bethunana, welcome. Thatha isitulo, hlala phansi, and I hope you enjoy my realistic life. I love reality, I love authenticity, and that is what I actually take pride in this channel. I really hope that you found a home here and that you will continue liking my videos, sharing them, and of course engaging with me in the comment section. Also, perhaps do leave me a comment and tell me what you guys would love to see more on this channel, and maybe other tips and tricks on how I can actually grow my channel. It's been a long time coming, Betuna. It's your support for me. I really please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and also like my Facebook page. Sivates. Bye bye.